Let's find out what traders are watching in the market today with pro trader Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. Hello to you, Tim. There's plenty of uncertainty. Automakers are on strike. The government might shut down. The Fed wants to keep rates high. Does any one stick out, or are all of the above important to the market right now?
Yeah, really, I think all of those are, concerns that are certainly putting a lid on any rally here. We're at very interesting levels on interest rates, the 10-year right at 4.5%. So I think that's a critical level. If it heads much higher, certainly I think stocks will have trouble heading higher. Valuations will have to come down here. And we're looking at the S&P 500. That 4,300 is a critical level as well. So I think hopefully we can get through September, which normally is kind of a bearish month, not too much further downside here, and then hopefully get into a kind of a time when maybe we'll grind higher here. But I think the days of straight up rallies is long gone for the foreseeable future, Angie.
What's your trade of the day?
Looking at UUUU, 4Us, an energy stock here, but we're seeing big repeat unusual call buying out in January. Out of the money calls, stocks about 8.5. The January 11 calls, I've seen thousands trade here. More importantly, implied volatility price of the option went from under 50 to almost 60 here. So I'm following that call buyer, buying this stock at a fairly cheap level and then selling these very expensive calls to hedge, hope to capture both sides of the trade here.
Is there anything particularly happening at that company that is moving the stock?
Yeah, I think it's more of a way to play the fact that energy stocks have led the way here, certainly over the past quarter or so. We'll see if oil can break out above 90. It's kind of consolidating here. So I think someone's just playing a longer term bet here to position perhaps to have oil break out big to the upside and will be rewarded there. If not, they lose a little bit. So, the risk reward trade off for them looks good. And certainly if you're doing the buy right that I like, I think it looks good as well.
Well, we think UUUU.
You bet. Anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.